Well. We found that a Indoraptor is trying. So you want to give it the money? I don't have that. Sorry. Huh? It's gonna aim it so that. Whoa! You screaming my ear. Calm down. My bad. I feel so loud sometimes. So why you don't give us money? So what's gonna happen? My hand is in front of face, and then punch your face just like that, in your eyes. I'm sorry, man. Are you alright? I'm gonna kill you, I, chill out, calm down, chill out, you're a piece of crap, calm down, chill, alright, shut your mouth, alright, I'll be quiet, now get the hell up out of my face right now, I'll see you later, Indoraptor.